Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right and we have the negative sign in here. Later that we divide both sides by cosine x squared and sine y squared in here. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one first. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to tan x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides and we have dx over cosine x squared. So this one we change by u. This one we change by du. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2 and we put about c. About u, that is about tan x. Now let's go to the second one. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cotangent y. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have du equals to negative dy over sine y squared. This one we change by u. Negative dy over sine y squared we change by du. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2 and we put about c. About u, that's about cotangent y. So let's go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And here is about the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.